On today's video, we're going to see if we can use AI to make me look like a 1 million subscriber channel. First of all, we're going to use AI to digitally expand my set, my background, to make it look like I've got a big successful YouTuber house with a studio in it. And then secondly, we're going to make it look like I've got a massive special effects budget to have a fully 3D animated character as my channel co-host. So my current YouTube set is me sitting in a room at home, in front of my desk, my computers, a plant, and a suspiciously cheap LED floodlight off eBay, which I'm pretty sure is slowly burning away my retinas with unfiltered UV radiation. So one thing I've noticed about a lot of massive YouTubers that have got 1 million plus subscribers is they've all got really fancy looking sets or massive rooms where they film their videos. Where in reality, this is the only angle in my entire house where you can't see all of my junk everywhere. And one thing that's hard to fake is the size of your room. Until now. So the idea here is to take a still frame from my video, then use AI to expand the background and make it look as awesome as I can, and then edit me back into this new set. So here's the video clip that I'm going to be working with. So I want you to try this one simple tip that will make any YouTube video an instant hit. All you've got to do is take a metal cheese grater, and then you've just got to... So here's my still frame in Photoshop, and I'm just going to start by building out around the edges. I'm not going to type anything that I want specifically to start with. I'm just going to press generate, and it's just going to fill it with whatever it thinks is good to fill it with. It'll carry on the colours around the edges, and it just pads out the image for me. Something to get started. What the hell is that? That's like a scuba diving man? We'll change that. We'll get rid of that. I'll go with this for now. I'm happy with that. Just something filler. So if you're not sure what's going on here, in the very latest version of Photoshop, in the beta version, it's got something called generative fill, and you select anything in the image and you just type what you want. It looks at the rest of the picture and it tries its best to generate what you've asked for and blends it into the rest of the picture. So in this instance, I've asked for a big window on the left with curtains, and bam, it just makes it just like that. On the right, I want a bookshelf, so we'll get it to generate that. Then up here I want some lights shining down because it matches the light that's behind me in real life, making it look like some studio lights. And as you can see, it generates 3 different versions, so you can pick the one that you like best. And over here I want a Yotty sign. Now it's not really good at letters, but see, Yotty we've got to start with, but we'll have a cycle through, see what we've got. Oh, I like that, that's good. We'll leave that there. I want a cat sitting on top of the bookshelves. Kind of freaky robot cat, that's cool. All right, now onto the desk. So I wanted to add like a light grey desk. Yep, okay, that'll do. We'll move it up just a little bit and then fill in the rest of the desk. Right, now I want a plant on the desk over here on the left. That's nice, I like that. I'm going to go with the first one. And then I want some stickers on the front just to have something else to look at. Fergie? What the heck's Fergie? What else we got? Oh, I like those, they're good. One last thing, I want a standing light in the background here just to add something extra. What else we got? Yep, perfect. I'll go with that. Right, I'm happy with that. We'll save that and we'll pop that back into Premiere Pro. I'll take my original video, mask it and feather it a bit so you can't see the joins, and here I am in my brand new cool YouTuber set. Now obviously the cheese grater is useless now, but your YouTube views will be through the roof. Give it a try in your next video and let me know what happens in the comments. And don't forget to like and subscribe. And enough of that. So every business has a problem that they're trying to solve, and a big problem in AI at the moment is that companies want to use AI generated images and videos in their marketing campaigns, but if you just use these tools as a casual user, what they generate often isn't production ready. They still need someone creative to polish it all and tie it all together. So businesses know these tools are available, but they don't know how to find somebody that can make them work for them. And what I've just done there is set up the slickest segue you've ever seen into my very first and very much appreciated sponsored segment. For Sponsor Dance, allow me the pleasure of introducing you to the business solving this problem, AIanimation.com. They're building a directory of professional creatives who know how to get the very best out of today's generative AI systems. If you're a creative studio or a freelancer that knows how to wrangle these generative AI beasts, forget watching the end of this video, just go now to AIanimation.com and make your free profile. Just do it! Write your bio, detail your expertise and tools, and link to videos of your past projects. And right now, it's free to sign up. So click the link below and make sure you're the person who gets found to manage the next big AI-generated marketing campaign. So how cool is that? Not only do I have as many sets as I want that are worthy of a massive YouTuber, I've got a sponsor as well. Yeah! Right, so on to part 2. Now, a YouTube channel can really come alive if you've got a second presenter and you can get some interaction going between them. Unfortunately for me, all my friends are working actual jobs while I'm dossing around making YouTube videos, so I thought I'd try and fake it using AI. The idea here is I'll record myself twice, and on one of the recordings I'll use Wonder Studio to turn me into a 3D animated character that I can interact with. Now, I made an introductory video to Wonder Studio when it came out a few months ago, and in fact a lot of my subscribers are from that very video, so I thought we'd take that idea and expand it a bit further and use it in a kind of real world way. So I'm going to film this once with me playing me, and then I'm going to film it again with me playing the role of the second character. Right, so now I've done all my filming and we're going to upload the second video to the ridiculously incredible Wonder Studio. Honestly, I think it's powered by real life actual magic. So I select myself as the actor to replace, and then I choose one of their characters, although you can provide your own if you know what you're doing, and 55 minutes later it hands the video back with me completely removed and replaced with a fully animated and lit 3D model. So now I put video 1 and video 2 back into my set, do a bit of voiceover work for the character, and Bob's your uncle, Fanny's your aunt, a great looking conversation between two professionals.
You call yourself a professional, do you? Think you're a bit of a scientist with a name like Yotty Laboratories?
Why do you sound a bit like Stewie Griffin from Family Guy?
Why do you sound like such a little bitch?
Oh, rude! Right, I'm gonna end it there. Short but solid, tiny but tremendous.
Flashback to your Tinder profile.
What?
What? So you're not going to do some kind of lame subscribe reveal type thing?
I don't have to. It's been here the whole time. So please feel free to gently boop the like button, share this with your friends, and subscribe to my channel Yotty Laboratories, the only channel you need for interesting tech and happy AI fun times. Now go to aianimation.com and sign up for free.
I'm going to be honest, you're never going to be a successful YouTuber, you know.
We'll see about that, matey. We'll see about that.